involved in too many roll-up industries, Tanya, where, like back in the day when I was in the construction business, we did insulation, and insulation became a roll-up industry where you would call 10 different insulation companies and they'd all be the same company,
Yeah.
And so there's, is there roll-ups going on right now in your location or where you're at?
Well, there are always roll-ups going on to some level, and it really is, maybe like I've seen a lot of those types of roll-ups. Usually when a private equity firm comes in and gets a platform company in a given industry, then they start buying up smaller companies to add on to expand through acquisition, because it's much faster to expand through acquisition than it is to expand organically. So they'll buy up smaller companies. And that's why one of the things that we're always looking for is, even if you come across a company that's only doing $500,000 in EBITDA, doesn't matter. A private equity group that has a platform in that industry may be very interested in that, even though the EBITDA is under 2 million. So, or under 5 million,
Yeah, exactly. They're looking for market share, a lot of them.
Yeah. But I've seen roll-ups done in, different types of manufacturing for aerospace and all that. I've also seen it done with plumbing companies with, different trades, funeral homes. I mean, pretty much every industry, you get somebody coming in that wants to just, expand through acquisition and build a portfolio of those companies.